Asunto-osakeyhtiö Keijutorni.
This is amazing. Today, on the 17th of July 2023, we have Keijumäki to Keijumäki in Pohjois-Tapiola, Norra-Hagalund, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo's region, Uusimaa, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons for 325 rooms. And it's first one.
Yeah.
It's two-speed leveling, probably a better sounds.
Yeah.
So it's a 10 floors even.
Yeah.
ValmetSchlieren built in 1980, turning 45 years old in 2025, but it doesn't seem it's going to be this ready next time. Maybe in the machine room, but here's the older inspection from 2000 when this was this inspection went well for it. So
Yeah.
it passed the inspection in 2000.
Yeah.
I love the sound to this building here.
Same here.
And the Siemens is 5699. That's an amazing one.
Yeah.
It has Windows and memory.
Yeah, but memory is needless.
Yeah.
Because it
could
doesn't have
but
lights.
it could have had the floor indicator instead.
Expected by Suomen historiastus, maintained by Schindler.
But before it was maintained by Tapio Hissi.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it was stopped. You took the stairs instead.
Yeah. That's